Hi everyone, this is Hans. Today I'm showing you this beautiful smartwatch. This thing is minimalistic looking, it's budget device and everything about it. And the outside looks great, but how is it inside? How feelings? How about that personality? That's what I will get into and see if this watch is worth for you or not. This is the Xiaomi Amazfit Bip Lite. The version I have here is demo version and priced it at $72 US. This is Banggood. Welcome everyone. The Amazfit Bip Lite is complete fitness smartwatch. That's a remarkable deal. It has an always-on display, 45 days long battery life, plus extras like heart rate, multi-sport modes, sleep monitor, notifications and water resistance up to 30 meters. Works with Android and iOS. Going over the physical features, first, I very much love the look and the feel of this watch. Now, first up is durability and the quality of the materials. The polycarbonate casing, anti-fingerprint coating, Corning Gorilla 3 reinforced glass, 32 grams, including the straps. Can you imagine that? This watch is so light, even the leaf can hold it. Second, the quick release silicone strap itself is very much comfortable, very much flexible on my wrist. I haven't had any issues or irritation or rashes, and the level look on the outside seems good. Now, getting into other standard features, this has 3 ATM water resistance rating. Safe for splashes, rain, snow, fresh water, swimming and such. We have the optical heart rate tracker on the back. And the pins do function fine with a special USB charger with the charging time is up to 2.5 hours. Now, one of the best things, I think the 200 mAh lithium polymer battery life is phenomenal. That's a good part while ways climbing up to 45 days of typical performance that does include heart rate and sleep tracking 24/7. The Bip Lite works with both Amazfit app as well as Mi Fit app. It connects over Bluetooth for transferring data to the provided app where you can view it in an easy to understand graphical format. Like any smartwatch, the Bip Lite also tracks your activity and sleep. The Amazfit Bip Lite displays Chinese and digits, yet until you pair the watch with your smartphone with provided app, the watch language will be changed to the default language of your phone. With the reflective, always-on display, your health and sports data can be seen even under bright sunlight by simply raising your hand or pressing the button on your watch. The Corning Gorilla glass and coating makes it scratch resistant and easy to keep clean. The Amazfit Bip uses a transflective color display, which means it's even getting better visibility with the direct sunlight. And there is also a backlight that turns on when you raise the wrist or press the side button. So what about the features? Let's dive in and explore the watch. First of all, pressing the crown to unlock the watch. Swipe up notifications from your social networks. You can set that on your smartphone. Swipe down D&D mode. Swipe left, we see the status of activity like steps counting, heart rate monitor, how many kilometers you walked. Continue swiping to left, we'll see the activity like outdoor run, treadmill, cycling, walking, activity history, activity setting, where you can set the heart rate alert, pace alert, distance alert. So later we can see the weather for present day. Swiping up for week's weather information. Swipe left, alarm, timer and setting, where you can change the interface, adjust the brightness and so on. So the Amazfit Bip Lite, beautiful and at the same time minimalistic looking, suitable for both boys and girls, for the budget price with the useful features for daily life. It's an easy choice for the best smartwatch deal out there. And that's all for today's video. I hope you will leave likes, comments and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.